Reality, what is it? How do we define something so fundamental to our existence? Reality is our perception of the world. It is what we see, hear, touch, taste and smell. It is the ground beneath our feet and the stars in the vast expanse of space. Our senses are the instruments through which we experience reality. They gather information from our surroundings and transmit it to our brains. Our brains then process this information, creating our unique perception of the world. However, our senses can be deceived. Optical illusions play tricks on our eyes, making us question what we see. Dreams transport us to fantastical realms that blur the line between reality and imagination. Therefore, defining reality is a complex endeavor. It is a journey of exploration, a constant interplay between our senses, our minds, and the world around us. Duality is a fundamental concept that permeates the universe, shaping the very fabric of reality. It is the idea that everything has an opposite, a counterpart that defines and completes it, creating a harmonious balance. Like two sides of the same coin, these opposites exist in a state of interdependence. Light and darkness, good and evil, each giving meaning to the other, hot and cold. These are just a few examples of duality in action, illustrating the constant dance of opposites. One cannot exist without the other, as they are two halves of a whole. They are inextricably linked, constantly pushing and pulling, creating a dynamic balance that governs the cosmos and all within it. This interplay of opposites is essential for life itself, driving the cycles of nature and existence. Without darkness, we wouldn't appreciate the brilliance of light nor understand its significance. Without cold, we wouldn't understand the comfort of warmth nor the relief it brings. Duality is woven into the very fabric of our existence, influencing every aspect of our lives. Understanding duality is crucial to comprehending the complexities of the universe and our place within it. It is a lens through which we can view the interconnectedness of all things and appreciate the delicate balance that holds everything together, making sense of the world around us. Mathematics, the language of the universe, beautifully illustrates the concept of duality. Positive and negative numbers, addition and subtraction, multiplication and division, these fundamental operations demonstrate the inherent balance within the realm of numbers. Consider the concept of zero. It represents nothingness, yet it is essential for our number system to function. Zero acts as a central point, a fulcrum around which positive and negative numbers revolve. It embodies the duality of existence and non-existence. Furthermore, geometry reveals duality through shapes and their relationships. A circle, with its perfect symmetry, represents unity and wholeness. However, it can be divided into two equal halves, demonstrating the duality within unity. Mathematics provides a framework for understanding duality as a fundamental principle governing the universe. It reveals the elegance and harmony inherent in the interplay of opposites. Throughout history, philosophers have grappled with the concept of duality, seeking to understand its implications for human existence. Ancient Chinese philosophy introduced the concept of yin and yang, two opposing forces that are interconnected and interdependent. Yin, represented by darkness, passivity and femininity, complements yang, represented by light, activity and masculinity. These forces are not seen as conflicting, but rather as complementary aspects of a greater whole. Similarly, the interplay of light and shadow has fascinated artists and thinkers for centuries. Light, often associated with knowledge and truth, casts shadows that can represent the unknown or the hidden aspects of ourselves. Philosophical exploration of duality encourages us to embrace the complexities of life and to recognize that truth often lies in the balance between opposing forces. Section 5. Beyond reality, the realm of illusions. What lies beyond the realm of our perceived reality? Is there a dimension where the boundaries of our known universe blur and dissolve? Is there a realm where the rules of logic and reason cease to apply, a place where the impossible becomes possible and the unimaginable becomes real? Illusions offer a glimpse into this intriguing possibility. They challenge our understanding and push the boundaries of what we believe to be true. Optical illusions, for example, challenge our perception of reality by presenting us with images that deceive our brains. They make us question the reliability of our senses. They remind us that our senses are not infallible and that what we perceive as real may not always be accurate. Our minds can be tricked and our perceptions can be flawed. Magic tricks, another form of illusion, manipulate our perception of reality by creating seemingly impossible events. They captivate us and make us wonder about the nature of reality. They tap into our sense of wonder and remind us that there are still mysteries in the world that we do not fully understand. These illusions spark curiosity and ignite our imagination. Illusions, while not necessarily real in the traditional sense, offer valuable insights into the nature of perception and the limits of human understanding. They reveal the complexities of our minds. They invite us to question our assumptions about the world and to remain open to the possibility of the unknown. In the realm of illusions, we find a space where reality and fantasy intertwine. Section 6. The allure of fantasy, dreams and imagination. Dreams, those enigmatic nocturnal journeys, transport us to realms where the impossible becomes possible. They are a window into our subconscious, revealing hidden thoughts and emotions. In the realm of dreams, we can fly, talk to animals, and visit distant lands without ever leaving our beds. These experiences, though fleeting, leave lasting impressions on our minds. Imagination, our ability to create mental images and scenarios, allows us to explore endless possibilities. It fuels creativity and innovation, enabling us to think beyond the ordinary. Through imagination, we can invent new worlds, characters, and stories, pushing the boundaries of what we consider real. It is the foundation of art, literature, and all forms of creative expression. Fantasy literature, movies, and video games provide us with immersive experiences that allow us to escape from the mundane and explore fantastical realms. They offer a temporary respite from reality. They tap into our innate desire for adventure and the unknown, sparking curiosity and wonder. Dreams and imagination, while not bound by the constraints of reality, can offer valuable insights into our deepest fears, desires, and aspirations. They act as a mirror to our inner selves. They remind us of the power of the human mind to create and explore beyond the confines of our everyday experiences. Embracing them can lead to personal growth and a deeper understanding of ourselves. Section 7. Bridging the divide. Duality as a unifying force. Duality, rather than creating a chasm between opposites, acts as a bridge, connecting seemingly disparate concepts and revealing their underlying unity. Consider Boolean algebra, a branch of mathematics that deals with logical operations. It utilizes the concepts of true and false, represented by 1 and 0, respectively. These binary opposites form the foundation of digital technology, demonstrating how duality underpins the virtual world. Storytelling, too, relies heavily on duality to create compelling narratives. Protagonists and antagonists, heroes and villains, good and evil, these opposing forces drive the plot and create conflict, ultimately leading to resolution and often transformation. Duality, therefore, is not about division, but about interconnectedness. It highlights the interdependence of seemingly opposite forces and reveals the underlying unity that binds the universe together. Section 8. Unveiling truth, the power of opposing perspectives. Embracing duality requires us to consider opposing viewpoints and to recognize that truth is often multifaceted. Just as a single light source casts a multitude of shadows, a single perspective can only illuminate a limited aspect of reality. By engaging with diverse perspectives, we broaden our understanding of the world and challenge our own biases. Dialogue, debate, and the willingness to listen to opposing viewpoints are essential for intellectual growth and the pursuit of knowledge. Furthermore, recognizing the duality inherent in our own nature, our capacity for both good and evil, love and hate, compassion and cruelty, allows us to embrace our complexities and strive for personal growth. The interplay of opposing forces, rather than obscuring truth, can actually illuminate it. By embracing duality, we open ourselves up to a more nuanced and comprehensive understanding of the world and ourselves. Section 9. Conclusion. Embracing the paradox. Duality is a fundamental concept that permeates the universe, shaping everything from the laws of physics to the complexities of human experience. It is a paradox that invites us to embrace both sides of the coin, to recognize the interconnectedness of opposites, and to find unity within diversity. By exploring the interplay of light and shadow, reality and illusion, logic and imagination, we gain a deeper appreciation for the richness and complexity of the cosmos. We come to understand that truth is not always black and white, but often lies in the subtle shades of grey. As we continue to explore the mysteries of the universe and the intricacies of our own existence, let us remember the importance of duality. Let us embrace the paradox, seek understanding in the face of opposing forces, and strive to find unity within the magnificent tapestry of existence.